Um, there are several information that have reached us, several reports that have reached us that she has a list of these proponents and the projects. No, so this was a subject of an inquiry that was conducted by the Office of the Ombudsman. I'm still getting a report, but she was invited to the office for questioning a few days ago. Again, I will get the full report to you guys as soon as I have it. However, yung mga investigators ho natin, yung mga prosecutors na kausap niya, ang observation nila ay nag-lawyer up na po si former Yusek Cabral, and there was not much information shared at the time that they conducted this inquiry or questioning. No? So, yung usapan pa kasi noon was for her to know what charges were forthcoming so that she could strategize also accordingly, which understandably so, the Office of the Ombudsman was willing to talk to her and to slowly gather information as she became more and more comfortable, no, with the setting. So we are deeply saddened, and it has caused concern for us that we learned of her sudden passing.